Hi, this is Karil of Avidaland, and I'm here to discuss with you. Simple question lang naman siya. Pero typical ko siyang naririnig sa mga clients ko or to any other inquiries ng house and lot. So, again, this is about house and lots. So, this called this or that. Let's find the right fit for you. So, we will talk about settings development and estates development. Dear clients, magkaiba sila. Next slide. So, in terms of the sizes, si settings, smaller sizes and mas compact, efficient living. So, imagine a space na tamang-tama for startup. Example, first-time home buyer or smaller families. Usually, mga clients ko na nagkakagusto sa settings development are mga bagong kasal or single or gusto nilang ipa-rent out yung property nila. Mostly sa aming development ng settings, mga nag-range yun ng 67 to 85 square meters ng house and lot. So, that is a 3-bedroom property, dalawang palapag na din siya, 2 toilet and bath. Ang mga lots naman natin is around 129 to 200 square meters. So for the estates development, it has larger sizes. In terms of the sukat, mas malaki siya compared kay settings. And spacious environment, mas malaki ang open spaces pag estates development dahil mas malaki talaga ang mga properties doon. And ideal siya sa family na nagsisik ng more expansive homes with room or for larger gardens or outdoor spaces. So, itong estates development, usually nakabili na sila before sa settings. Na-witness na nila ang mag-start from settings, kaya sila pipili ng upscale which is the estates development. So, more expansive homes. Usually, 95 to 110 yung sukat ng mga bahay dito and yung lots niya malalawak, 140 to 240 square meters. And mas malawak pa if magko-combine ka or magbabay ka ng let's say 2 or tatlo na lots. Sample sa existing projects natin. Example sa Cavite, Avida Santa Catalina. Ay, residences pala 'to, pero medyo similar din. Settings Cavite, wala. Ay, Vera pala. Okay, so nasama dito yung residences and villages. Pero ang pinaka made-describe ko sa inyo is si Vera Settings. Ayan. May settings pa ba dito? Ayun, si Settings Cavite. Gano'n. Sorry, na-include lang yung ibang residences, estates, and village. Magkakaiba din siya. Ayun. Pero sa estates, Hillcrest Estates no Valley and Ridgeview Estate, sample lang naman to. Mas malalawak yung mga floor area, lot area, ganun. So for the house models, settings, and estates. Kay settings, 3 bedrooms ang pinaka-turnover unit niya. May dalawang toilet and bath, isa sa taas, isa sa baba. And it can fit sorry, one car, isang car. Kaya siya. Pwede ka maglagay ng parking slot or pwede mo ding lagyan ng extension yung house mo if you like. For estates development, up to 4 beds. Kasi merong sa baba na room na pwede mo siyang gawing pantry or small room if you like. Depende pa rin sa'yo. Then sa taas ay 3 beds. Then 2 toilet and bath, same lang din, taas at baba. Ang difference dito is it can fit 2 cars. That's how spacious yung property mo if you will choose estates. And masters with balcony, yun. So, yung labas niya, mayroong balcony. Ayun. Mas refreshing and mas ano ba? How do I describe it? Mas extended yung unit mo. Mas may utilize mo siya. Ganon. Then, for the settings development na design, kapag settings development, almost the same lang naman. Mga modern contemporary na yung homes namin, mga earth tones, kumbaga ang tawag is aesthetic na. Ayun. May mga wall cladding din na design sa settings. Wall cladding ba yung tawag dun? Or stone cladding, sorry. Stone cladding. Yan yung design niya. Para siyang may stone design and may mga color green na mga accents sa color ng mismong unit sa labas, exterior. Compact and efficient, designed to cater smaller families or seeking more affordable but functional living spaces. Kasi parasang naman siya. Settings and estates, parehas siya na three bedrooms and two toilet and bath. The difference lang is the space and the community, of course. Kasi mas malalawak talaga ang estates. Ayun. Pwede din i-combine yung dalawang rooms if gusto mo, if you like lang naman. And again, it can fit one car. For estates, larger. And if larger, you can make it a more luxurious home. Pwede mo din siyang lagyan ng pool, ganun. May mga iba naglalagay ng pool. And mas sophisticated siya. Then, estates are more spacious, mas elegant yung design, and wider yung frontage ng lot niya. Ayun, so if you have a family, mas malaki yung open spaces nyo kasi yung lot size niya malawak talaga. And again, you can also have a pool if you like. Typically can fit two cars and up to four bedrooms. Yung density ng houses niya, pag settings, moderate density, and it offers a more affordable price point. Yun naman yung hinahanap natin kung ano yung comfortable sa atin as of today. Ayun. For estates, lower density, and mas exclusive ka. Mas large pati yung mga lote mo and more yung privacy mo. Actually, in terms of privacy, same lang naman siya dahil safe and secure ang Avida Land. This is an Ayala brand po. But more privacy in terms of mas malalawak eh. So, hindi kayo ganong kalapit ng katabi mo na house, ng neighbor mo. Ganun. So for the affordability settings, since smaller siya, more affordable. And it caters to first-time home buyers and families. So if you're first time seeking for a home, this is the perfect one for you. But if you like something na mas malawak and it can fit your budget, we can go for estates. If you need a budget-friendly option, we can do settings. Pwede naman yun na we can do one step at a time without sacrificing the benefits of Avida and Ayala's brand. Kasi same lang naman siya. It just differs sa size. Ganun. For Nuvali, we have a sample ng Misi model 9.7 to 13M. For Vermosa, we can have a house and lot 11.7M to 12.5M. For estates development, higher value yung affordability niya due to larger sizes. Lagi namang ganun. Per square meter po ang rates natin. And the more maging booming yung community, like example, Nuvali and Vermosa, tataas din yung values niya. And it generally caters the mid to upper middle class. Perfect for higher income professionals, larger homes, and more comfortable living. So, example, we have a newly launched project in Castellano Valley. It starts at 13.8M to 16M. Yung 13.8, that is the Erin model. Ang floor area niya is 95 square meters and the lot area, around 140. Ganun yung lawak niya. In terms of value appreciation, for the settings, modest appreciation and proximity to growing economic hubs, actually same lang siya. Lagi naman tayong nakalagay sa estate most of the Avida Land and Ayala Land properties. Nasa estate development tayo. So we are close to everything, to malls, schools, hospitals, churches, name it, parating meron si Ayala Land. That's what we are proud of as property specialists because we don't only bring you the house and lot property, we also take you to the closest possible locators and again, locators that are the best. That, yun. So, almost similar naman yung value appreciation niya kay estates, especially if in one location ka, example, Nuvali and Vermosa, and if you have combined lots, of course, double din yung price appreciation mo kasi dalawa yung property mo. For the estate's development, stronger value appreciation due to their larger home size, lower density, prime locations, and within strategic areas like Nuvali. And estate's development, perfect siya for retirees. Or example, you worked for a long time in abroad, yung environment ni estates nagugustuhan nila especially if they lived in US, Canada, mga locations na talagang magaganda. For summary, the settings development, this is more affordable in terms of pricing. If you would like to acquire something na mapapa-grow mo in the future, we can choose settings for now. Smaller in size, yes. But still, it serves its purpose dahil it can be for startups like you if you would like to start now or as soon as possible. Caters to first-time home buyers. Ayun. More budget-friendly, enjoying the same Ayala land quality. Slightly higher density but still you enjoy the community kasi it is safe and secured. Ayun, steady value growth and more accessible pricing options. For the estates, it is ideal for those seeking larger homes, again, retirees or nasanay kayo sa wide spaces or again, sa mga nakatry na before ng settings na gustong mag-add ng investment. More space, and long-term value appreciation. Higher price point. Yes, medyo high yung price point niya, but better yung benefits niya sa'yo in terms of future value. Ayun, more privacy. And that's what we mean by the premium lifestyle in prime locations like Nuvali. So if you would like to have another development na mas premium yung lifestyle. Kagaya nung term ng client ko is, meron na sila ng settings. That's why they would like to have another upscale one. They want to level up. So we can choose estates. So for summary, ang settings development namin, I'm promoting Parkland Settings Vermosa, house and lot only. Ang houses nag-start siya ng 11.7M, that is the Macy model. For the lot only, it starts at 10.3M, that is around 181 square meters. For Southdale Settings Nuvali, si Park Lane is located in Imus, Cavite. Malapit siya sa Sports Hub, Ayala Mas Formosa, De La Salle Zubel. Then for Southdale Settings Nuvali, this is located in Laguna, in Nuvali South. Houses starts at 9.7M hanggang 12, not sure. Pero it is around 9.7M to around 11.5M. Macy model yon. And for Avida settings di pa, lot only starts at 3M since lahat dito is lot only na lang ang natira. For Avida settings Batangas, lot only starts at 3.1 million. Meron din silang houses na RFO na, nag-start siya ng mga 3.5 to 5M. Those are the settings development na currently I'm always having viewings. Ayun. So we can check if you like. For estates development, if familiar kayo kay Aberdeen Estates Nuvali, it is sold out. But don't worry, meron tayong bago. Almost the same. Same na same lang yung house models. Same din yung location. Mga 5 minutes away lang siya. Very close lang sila. Aberdeen Estates Novali is located in Calamba, Laguna. Hernalan, Tlaguerta, yun yung barangays niya. If hindi mo naabutan si Aberdeen, this is the best time para i-check si Crisalano Valley. Lot only starts at 7.5 m, more or less 161 square. And for the house and lot, it starts at 13.8 m. That is the Erin model. Ayun. So, if you're considering this developments, contact me now. Nandito yung phone number ko sa baba, 0953 392 3188. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.